Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a reading message, and this will answer some of your most important questions that you have in your mind. I'll be showing three horses: horse 1, horse 2 and horse 3 on the screen. It represents pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So please choose one horse that you are intuitively attracted towards. And if you can't decide, just close your eyes and pick one horse, and that reading will be the reading for you. And before we move on to the reading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I post a lot of videos like this. Okay, the people who have chosen pile 1, let's see what the universe has for you. I'll be picking 3 cards and let's see. Okay, these 3 are the cards that I've picked up. Okay, you're dealing with a very hard time in your life. And the first message that I get is a harsh truth is better than a soft lie. There is something that you have to realize and accept in yourself, or accept that people are not real. Somebody is bad to you. You have to accept that because you're not accepting the truth of your life. See, there is a heart and there are so many swords which are pricking the heart. So something is damaging you, but you are trying to ignore the reality. You're trying to push the reason. So the first thing is you have to open up to the real thing and accept the truth. And once you accept the truth, see, the second one is so connected. You have to listen to the inner voice. Till now, what your inner voice has been telling you, you were lying. You have to now have the opportunity to make a choice. And when you're making this choice, you have to deeply listen to your inner voice. And you have to believe in your personal power. There is so much power inside you. You are just not believing it. So this message shows me something very clearly, that you are in a very bad state because of something or someone that has disturbed you. Your heart is in a million pieces. There is a lot of pain and suffering, but it is happening to make you find out the truth. And you have to choose the truth. You have to see behind the problem and you have to choose the truth. And once you choose the truth, you will make choices. And when you make the choices, you have to do the choice with your inner intuition, with your inner guidance. How you will get that inner intuition, inner guidance? Sit in front of your mandir, sit in front of a temple, and the thought will automatically come as to which decision you have to take. And when you do all that, you will start believing in your personal power, because there is like a storage here, but you're not seeing this because you think that someone else's storage is much higher and you're dependent on them. So the cards show me that it's time to move on and see the truth and work on your intuition so that you can make the right decisions in your life. And if pile 1 resonated with you, I want you to comment 111 in the comment section, or if you're a pile 1, I want you to comment 111. Let's see what says for the pile 2. People who chose pile 2. Wow, we have got the World card. You're very lucky to get this card. Okay, pile 2 people, you are very pessimistic people. You want the right things, you want good things to happen correctly, you want all the things in order, you don't take chances in life. So your reminder is to live your life with the remembrance that life contains both positive and negative. You just can't filter out negative. You have to deal with the negative. You are avoiding problems. You have to learn to take life as it comes, both positive and negative. Okay. And with this attitude change, the rest of the 2 cards are very positive. The second card tells me that you have to and see, I told you, because you're very pessimistic, you completely doubt people. And because you doubt people, you have this door shut from your end, like the door is shut and you're not open to receive healing. See, if there's somebody who gives your hand to heal, you just push them away. So stop pushing away people. See, the first card itself told me that's because of your mindset. It's because you're very pessimistic. You push people away and you stop the healing. So your second card says that you have to stop the pushing away of people, and you have to look at your needs, like you're ignoring your needs. So you have to see what really is needed for you. And once you do these two things, the beautiful card, the world has come, which means that everything that has worked in favor of you and everything is coming together. See how beautiful. Some people say tarot is a lie and tarot is a myth. Show them this video. First two cards were so negative, but if you do these changes, it will give you this beautiful, the world is yours. That is what the card is telling me. See how beautifully the cards have turned out. And if pile 2 resonated with you, or you chose the second horse, comment 222. Now let's see what pile 3 has in store for you. Let's see. Okay, wow. So in pile 1 we did not get any major arcana cards, but in pile 2 and pile 3 both we are getting major arcana cards, which is not a coincidence. Okay, so you, pile 3 people, you are expecting others to praise you. It feels nice now. It feels like when somebody praises you, you feel nice, but that will not happen. You're waiting for somebody to pour the cup. Literally, I'm getting cups. You're waiting for somebody to pour that joy into your cup that you end up waiting. So, first message is you have to celebrate your own success with people you care about, not with everybody, but only with people you love. And okay, this is a very, very, very emotional message for pile 3. Pile 3 people, you are in an emotional mess right now. And if you celebrate yourself, small wins, small things, anything, you'll start feeling better. And when you do that, you have to open your heart also to get the emotions out and to receive love. So this card I got in one more previous reading, and it just shows that your mind is not in a good place. So the first thing you have to do is celebrate your joys, and second thing you have to do is open up to people. And last time in the video, many people said, I don't have people to open up, I don't have people to talk to. The best thing you can do is God's books, stotrams, or take this as a notebook and start writing every single thing that is there in your mind. And once you do that, you know what will happen? You will get strength is on your way. If you practice these two, when you master your emotional mindset, that is when strength is entering your life. So again, as like pile 2, this is a spread where first two cards are showing you the problem and the third card is telling you the solution. Okay, beautiful. Thank you. I really hope that all the 3 piles who chose each pile, and pile 3 people, comment 333 in the comments below. And every single one of you, if it really resonated with you, please comment down it resonated with you, because people need to get the belief when they watch this video. And if you're struggling with mental issues a lot, I give one-to-one counseling, out of which a lot of people have gotten help and they've improved in their life. There is a WhatsApp number given below. Please check that out, and I will see you all in another video. Lots of love, Subiksha. Bye-bye.